Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling, helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze. While you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me. Getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man, we out here at the outdoor fresh farm with it early in the morning. Yeah, man, it's about 6 something in the morning, and we about to get it on like Donkey Kong, you feel me? Yeah, that's why I'm whispering. Y'all know the house back there, and I ain't trying to wake nobody up, you dig what I'm saying? But it is a whole new world out here in the garden at nighttime, you dig what I'm saying? I am seeing a lot of things that you really can't see in the daytime just because the contrast of the light is so great, but I am loving it. But what we are gonna do real quick in the mix is do some picking. We got to get these cherry tomatoes and some of these roster beans, as well as, look, them okras, they busting. Like I told y'all, they is busting. And y'all see it's water everywhere because we have been having good rain. And I went and got some hoochie water the other day too, to make sure we still gonna be good in the game for the rest of this summer season, you dig? So let's go ahead and jump into it. I really can't see nothing right now because I'm trying to be cool with the specs. I'm finna have to take these things off and, you know what I'm saying, turn me light on. Cause look at them, it's a whole new world. Look at them rasta beans. Look at them tomatoes in there. Oh man, even got some of them bell peppers. Yeah. Now let's see. Big okra. I told y'all, all those pods right there will be okras. They're coming. Yeah, man. Let's see what else back here real quick. Oh, big beans. Still got beans. You know what I'm saying? Still got it. Okay. Man, look. You can see these cucumbers, how they just hanging and glowing out there. You know what I'm saying? Because of that contrast of those cucumbers being a light color in the dark time. That tomato just didn't make it. He did not survive. That tomato did not survive. So, yeah, man. Let me go ahead and get me set, get the picking, so we can get back over to Shadyville, because I want to show y'all something over there before I head into the schoolhouse. Get it!
Perfect. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Them carrots ain't gon' pull themselves, now get with it. Drop to your knees and get the picking. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Them greens ain't gon' pluck themselves, now get with it. Now get to sag and get the picking. Been in the field a long time, growing all this produce. After them crops ready, this what us farmers do. Spend some time cultivating, boosting the prolification. Hard work, take dedication, so these people can't beat the faces. I'm just out here teaching basics, name echoing around the nation. Plant them seeds, no hesitation. Grow whatever, take preparation. Put plants in the right situation, then they will start elevating. Then they will be busting major, and everybody will be eating baby. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Them carrots ain't gon' pull themselves, now get with it. Drop to your knees and get the picking. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop, pick it. The greens ain't gon' pluck them.
Yeah, man. y'all see it about like 6:45 or something, and the sun is starting to come out. Can y'all see that beautiful sky out there looking so pink? You dig what I'm saying? But what we about to do now is head back to Shadyville, because I want to show y'all how some things is busting over there and some things are not. But we just got our early morning picking in. You dig what I'm saying? But like I told y'all in the last video, I gotta come in early in the AM before I head to the schoolhouse, and then I gotta come back after I leave the schoolhouse. But them sky tears have been falling for the last couple of days, and now it got everything busting. Oh, I forgot. Look at these scallop squash. Yeah, they in there, they busting too. So I'm gonna snatch up a few of them, and then we gonna get up out of here. Yeah, man, we back in Shadyville with it real quick before I head into the schoolhouse. And Shadyville has come alive a little bit since the last time you saw it. Y'all remember we planted things in the trellis with that compost now dirt, and it is busting. Look at that. We got big shoe shambles. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? That's a nice one. You know what I'm saying? Look at in here. There's another nice one. You know what I'm saying? And there's some more. They busting. They busting. You know what I'm saying? Y'all remember them? Sugar babies. Look at that. There go a baby. There go a baby. You feel me? So, yeah, man. It's doing what it do a little bit. Some of the things are starting to come alive in the raised bed as well. Y'all see? Look at that. The eggplant trying to do something on this late season. Even that water baby starting to run. We got some tomato that then came up. The roster beans, they were growing like crazy. But if you know anything about beans, they can grow in a lot of different type of soil, as well as very poor soil. So as you can see, the beans did what they supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, they are legume. And you can see everything else in this bed is very, very tiny. But in a last ditch effort, some of these plants are trying to fruit out, you know what I'm saying, so they can have seeds, and then they can drop their seeds, and then hopefully that'll bring the next generation. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all can also see on this side, we pretty much got the same thing. You know what I mean? The same thing. These roster beans right here, they died off a little bit because like I said, I ain't had no hoochie water, and I refused to use the city water, you feel me, because initially I thought the city water was my problem over here. But yeah, y'all see how things are running up this trellis right here, and then look at these cucumbers. Oh, big boy, yeah, that's a real big one right there. You dig what I'm saying? So y'all see how it's busting, you know what I mean? Just a little bit, you feel me? But we're gonna go ahead, make it do what it does real quick, and hop into tea time before I go in and be an educator. You dig? It's tea time. Yeah, but today I only have water because time has moved along very quickly from traveling from the outdoor fresh farm over here to Shadyville, and I gotta get ready to go in and be an educator. You dig what I'm saying? But I just want to run it down to you real quick, like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all saw how we made the placking happen early in the morning before work time. You dig what I'm saying? And it's a beautiful thing. If it wasn't so much water or rain or anything like that, I probably could have got out there earlier and did some weeding or something, you know what I mean, without making a lot of noise, because like I say, we in an urban environment, and y'all see how close my farm is to people's homes and houses. So I don't want to be, you know, I want to be pretty much respectful, and at the same time too, I don't want to cause a lot of friction. And I know if I get out there too early and making too much noise and things like that, you know, that can wake people up. Some people come in and work late night shifts. So I was just trying to be respectful, you know what I mean? But at the same time too, I wanted to show you all how you can make it do what it do, and how I gotta make it do what it do to make things really happen and stay with the placking, with the outdoor fresh farm and the mission. You dig what I'm saying? Like I say, over here in Shadyville, things are starting to come alive a little bit, but at the same time too, we still need to do a soil test. So we're gonna do that. And over here in Shadyville, we gotta take off that top to that beehive. You dig what I'm saying? so the bees can concentrate more on filling out those bottom frames and building up their population, and then they can worry about, going on in the expansion and things of that nature. So it's still a lot of things that need to go on. As you can see, I got to cut grass around here too. You dig what I'm saying? But it's all to the good. It's all going to happen. We all going to make it do what it does. You feel me? But before I get out of here, let me run it down to you. Make sure you go check out that Amazon shop for all the dope tools, gadgets, jewelry, clothes. It's all the other drip that you might see me with. You dig what I'm saying? You can find that on that Amazon shop. You know what I mean? Y'all check it out. See what you like. You feel me? And everything else, I'll just continue to add as I expand upon things that I have used and I like. You feel me? Then y'all hear them dope tracks in the background. Go ahead and hit that streaming link and download them things so to have your speakers exploding in this game. You feel me? Yeah, man. And y'all also can follow me at the social media at Lelo_Jones and at Outdoor Fresh Form, so you can stay up to date with some of the stuff that I got going on, like the performance. You know what I'm saying? If you was on the social media, you know where them gonna be at and how we making that happen and getting to the plaque on that mission as well, to try to spread knowledge and bring more people into agriculture and living in harmony with nature, and at the same time too making it cool again. You feel me? Because the earth is everything. You know what I mean? The earth provides us with a home and everything else we need to survive, sustain, and thrive in this game. So I'm just trying to help us get more in tune with nature and continue to make the plaquing happening with that. You dig what I'm saying? And make sure y'all go check out this flyer for the Outdoor Fresh Street Fest that's going on this Saturday, August 19th. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't already, go ahead and get your ticket. It's going to be very dope. You dig what I'm saying? It's a mini farm tour with a big party at the end. You feel me? Because first, you go over to Gratitude Botanical Farms and holler at my boy Chris Lemons and see how he got it placking over there. You dig what I'm saying? I think he got like an acre and some change, you know what I mean? And he a one man in the game too, such as myself, with a day job. And you can see how he make his space do what it does, strive, survive. And he has a lot of different botanical plants as well. Lelo grow mainly edible and medicinal plants, but he is a cultivar of all types of plants, and his farm is very, very dope. So y'all go check that out. Then y'all will get on the bus and come over to Outdoor Fresh Farm, and then that way we're gonna really get it on like Donkey Kong. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, everything come together. It's gonna be a very dope experience, and at the same time too, you're gonna learn something, and you're gonna have a lot of take homes, because it should be a lot of experts in their field, you dig, that you can consult with, talk to, and get some knowledge from. You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, man, let me go ahead and swap out clothes and get ready to go into this schoolhouse and make it do what it does for today. Now, y'all be easy, keep making the plaquing happening, growing strong, and making it do what it does wherever you at. Peace.
Make that goat have a kid. Make that goat have a kid. Cause that's more money you get. Cause that's more money you get when you're in this farming biz. When you're in this farming biz.